Welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to do color correction or color grading very quickly. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at, I already imported two footages in this section. Suppose I want to do color correction on this video footage. That's why I just drag and drop it here like this. Now I'm playing a little bit for checking like this. Alright, now I will do color correction or color grading. For that you have to click effect option like this. Then you have to find first color correction effect. You can find the effect from video effect, or you can just directly search from here like this. I am searching. Please follow, already the effect has been appeared. At the time I will put the effect on video. For that purpose I just click it and drag and drop it on video footage like this. After that you have to go effect control like this. Then go below by scrolling like this. Look at, here is your targeted effect available. First color correction. In the effect you will get some options. You can use any option as your need like this. I am using. This is the color correction grip box or circle. Currently I will change our video color. So you just follow preview section attentively. Okay, now I am changing. Just follow the process. After clicking here you will get this types of icon. Afterwards you will drag it as your needed color like this. Suppose I need pink types of color, that's why I click here. You can also increase and decrease your color range like this. Now I am decreasing. At the same time I am increasing like this. Can you get the point? Suppose right now I need yellow types of color. That's why I pick it here. Please see. Now our video color has been changed with yellow color. Alright, now I will check preview and after. For that I drag it above like this. And just pick show split view like this. Please follow. Below is previous color and above is after color. And you can also choose horizontal or vertical. Just follow left right. Can you get the point? So by using show split view you can easily get your different point, right? Therefore my dear students, I guess in this way you can easily do color correction or color grading very quickly. Finally I want to mention that if you want you can use more options from here very easily. Just follow the process. Look, there are many options available, right? You can check all the options for your better experience. Think so I would like to check your angle. That's why I just drag it as my need like this. Please follow on preview section. I am changing. Hey guys, can you get the point? Thus in this way you can check out the all option as your wish. In the next episode we will learn more thing about color grading. So stay connected for your best results. See you in the next lecture.